Alright guys, I am back with a new video. I got something I'm really excited about, something I've been waiting for a long time to come up with. Elgato has done a new line. It's called Neo. I finally got the camera, it's finally for sale. It looks like this. So we're gonna unbox this, see if I can get it. Look at this. Face Cam Neo. So let's open. Wow, would you look at that? That's a thing of beauty. Super excited about it, and of course it has to be white to match the rest of the computer. Right, so how the hell do I get it out? Oh, like that. It's a two-piece. Alright. So look at that. Look at this. See if I can get into the camera. Pretty cool, pretty excited. And come with the clamp you can put on your top of the screen, your monitor. There we go. And next time I'll be streaming, I will be using this. Look forward to see if that works. Well, that's pretty much it, guys. I just wanna come in and say hi and do a little video. It's been a while since, so but yeah. Hope you're all good and have the rest of a good Monday and week, and I'll see you pretty soon. Alright, take care. Bye.